Hi everybody, welcome to our channel on questions and answers to immigration to Canada. My name is Alex Davidson, and very quickly let us talk about refugees. We will have a set of videos on this topic because people ask us from time to time, but I received a wonderful question yesterday. If I illegally cross US-Canadian border on boat, not necessarily on boat, you could do that on feet, but that was the question, right? Will I be able to qualify as an immigrant? The answer was, of course, no. I mean, you already did something illegal. Will I be able to qualify for refugee? Look, the fact itself that you have found a boat somewhere does not make you qualify for refugee status. I just decided to give you an idea what refugee status means, how to get this refugee status, and how to qualify for it. First and foremost, please remember, in order to qualify to apply for refugee in Canada, you have to be in Canada. It means you have to be on a plane which landed here, on a boat. Somehow physically you have to be in Canada. You cannot apply for refugee status specifically in Canada from somewhere abroad. You might ask me, okay, what about those Syrian refugees? Look, they applied to United Nations. That's a separate story. And United Nations, together with Canadian government, has selected them. They did not apply for Canada specifically. They did not come in and said, I am a refugee, I want to go to Canada. If you send me to Germany, no, I will not go. Another story, okay? Now, next thing, in order to qualify again, to apply for refugee, to be accepted as a refugee, you have to have personal, important, very important, personal reasons, okay? You are unsafe in your home country. Why is that? Is it because your home country sucks on security overall, or is it because you are doing something, you got your own beliefs which make you feel yourself unsafe? So say you're living in a country where other religions are prosecuted, okay, where they are not allowed. You got political views which contradict with the overall political views in your home country, and you were, I don't know, God forbid, of course, beaten up. You are afraid for your family being well off because of your beliefs. You are from a country where same-sex marriages are not allowed, and you are in relations which are not accepted generally by society, and you are persecuted for that. Well, maybe this would make you qualify. Again, maybe, because it depends on personal circumstances. But a couple of important questions, because it's a very, very difficult topic, and I'm trying to be as careful as possible here. There is one interesting thing. It's called refugee shopping. So say, let me give you an example. You are from a Middle Eastern country. You're same-sex couple. You're trying to run away, or maybe you're one person, right? But it's you're, for example, homosexual. You came to Europe, lived in there for a while. You got a visa to United States, and from United States you got your visa to visit Canada. You arrived in Canada and applied for refugee status. Guys, this is called refugee shopping, okay? Most likely, and I'm not in a position to decide, but most likely you would be refused, simply because you were safe enough in Europe, you were safe enough in the United States, but somehow, by miracle, you decided to go to Canada, and only here you claimed this refugee status, okay? So if that's what you're doing, intentionally or unintentionally, of course, I would say, like, stay away from that. Do not put your status in Canada at risk, or do not put at risk your chances of legally immigrating to Canada. If you're a genuine refugee, if you're looking to discuss your circumstances, your situation, you know our contacts are always at the end of the video. Feel free to contact us or me personally if you want to talk it over.